Hello, this is Dr. McKenzie again. This time we are going to talk about Appendix 8.2, the sensitivity analysis with Lingo. In this particular appendix, I want you to focus on not only the initial report that you already received, but something called a range report. And the range report is going to give you more information than the report that you got in Excel. Let me show you a little bit here. With Excel, you were told that the value was 25 and 20 as the optimal values for your objective function. And you were told that you had a slack or surplus excess of row 3. Row 3 was your variable 2. Row 1 was your objective function. Then row 2 was your first material. And then 3 was your second material, 4 was your third material. So it said, hey, you didn't use one of material 2. And the dual price indicating that it was not a tight constraint, where these two were tight constraints. Now, what we're going to get out of Lingo is our ability to create something called a range report. Time and time again, I get students telling me I couldn't find it, couldn't produce my sensitivity. Well, okay. It's because the sensitivity report in Lingo is automatically displayed, and I want you to get the range report. So go into the Lingo menu, select your options, and then go into the General Solver tab. And I want you to show the prices and ranges. Apply and OK. Once you do that, when you run your Lingo model, you'll get this report, slightly different from what you get in Excel. It says, again, the values that you can increase your current coefficient value. Remember, we did 40 times F and 30 times S. Well, you can increase it this amount or decrease it this amount and not change the current solution. Now remember, it's not saying that you can change both F and S's coefficient, just one of them. And then the solution won't change on how much that you're going to produce. Here it says you can change your material to a value of 5, increasing it to infinity because you're not using enough of it anyway. If you decrease it by 1, your whole objective function solution will change. Now remember, if you change both material 2, which is in row 3, and material 1, which is in row 2, who knows what can happen. This sensitivity report is not telling you what can happen if you change more than one of these parameters that we're talking about. So need you to display this in your homework, and that is the end of what you have to do for this particular homework. Your Excel sensitivity and your Lingo range report are going to be the new things that you add. Good luck, and I will see you in the project.